looks nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, it is hydraulic. Oh, really low. Otis 2000H, built in 1999, B1 NE 2658.
This reminds me of Crafties.
Yeah.
It's got cheap.
But this actually pre-crafties.
Yes.
No.
Oh, these LEDs.
Yeah.
Yep, and this got cheap.
It's just well limited maybe, or installed.
It has crafties LEDs.
Yep.
Ah,
And the buttons look so like
I don't think so.
Crafties.
This is really strange. I mean the lights. It actually doesn't look LED, but it doesn't look the old version.
I think it. Yeah. LED.
Ah,
Yeah, they're not wrong.
sadly. But it is upgraded, so
This has also a alarm light.
yeah, it's really good. And new fucking alarm button.
Yeah.
8% or it's 30 kilograms. And it is 0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crappy
Yeah.
floor number.
And it doesn't have any other lights than these.
Yeah. Bit like at the Koskentori shopping center.
But the cab is good boring.
Inspected by inspectant, maintained by Kern.
And the roof is also boring.
There's a connection. This
Yeah.
thing.
It's maintained by Connor.
Yeah.
Oh, green lights. They're still good.
Yeah. And very cheap.
Mm.
You could try that open.
They're really hot.
Yep.
And the neighbor building doesn't have elevator, so it's good that is.
Yeah. That's
That's it.